this Adirondack style chair. Why I love this chair is it is super simple and easy to build. It's easy to customize. I love that it's got a sturdy 2x4 frame that's well reinforced. This chair is gonna last. This chair has a compact profile, so you could fit a ton of these around a fire pit. But most importantly, I love how comfortable it is. The plans for this chair are linked in the description. We can't wait to see your brag post. So that's all I'm asking. If you build it, send us in a photo. Thanks for watching.